Welcome to Module 8. In this module, we'll study assessment in digital contexts. As you will see when we start our tour of the module, we can't really work on designing assessments or planning instruction without working backwards, meaning beginning with the standards. Let's get started, and you'll see what I mean by that. Slide 2 is, same as always, the big picture of the module, and the turquoise words down below are linked to the slides in this slideshow that align with those components. Slide 3 has our outcomes. In this module, we'll be working on 3 pieces. 1, continuing to make connections with our foundational ideas. 2, review, learn new ideas about, and practice designing assessments for your content and students. 3, consider how you want to accomplish that through digital platforms. Slide 4 has our assignments. We have 1 assignment around designing effective assessments that will be directly related to your course project, and an optional weekly reflection. You need to do 2 reflections, but sometime between modules 5 and 11. It is your choice. Slide 5 has our learning path. This is the introductory video. We have readings I'll share with you in a minute, as well as some videos that are actually mini lessons related to assessment. The graphics that we would like you to think about are on this slide. Building our TPAC this time is around Go Formative, which is a fantastic tool that you'll be exploring. There is no tech assignment in this module that you need to turn in, but we will take you to Go Formative to do a little exploration. The additional resources are actually built into the required reading slide. And as I said before, your assignment is really to begin to design your assessments for your course project, and then you have an optional weekly reflection. Slide 6 shows our required readings. There are 3 areas that have a multitude of articles. Some of them we've used in other modules. They won't be new for you. We would like you to choose 1 reading from each area. We have assessing learning, the why, what, and how, cognitive demand, aligning curriculum, instruction, and assessment, and assessing and promoting metacognition, or thinking about thinking. Great articles in all 3 areas. Read as many as you have time for and are interested in. We've also included here at the bottom a link to a text around backwards design, which is really, this is a great text. The text is by Wiggins and McTeague. No worries, it is not a copyright infringement for us to have the text here because it is actually on the Gale database. So because you're all DoDEA employees, you have access to this text anyway. The last thing on this slide is a sample digital student journal. It is, the reason that I put that on here is because there are several articles about using journals, and journals are, of course, an extremely powerful tool for assessment. And so I put a sample digital student journal here for you to consider. Slide 7 has our 2 mini lessons. Please be sure to give yourself a little bit of time when you're doing this because there are embedded activities, and I will show you the Google Doc that goes with these in just a minute. This is your assignment for this module, but it will be what you'll end up with. The product is actually your assessments for your course project, for your lesson plans. So very practical assignment this time. And I hope every time. But as I said, the videos are probably about 10 minutes long, and there is an embedded assignment, so be sure to allow yourself a little time when you start this part. Slide 8 is the Tech Try It. As I said before, our Tech Try It this time is Go Formative. Go Formative is not on the approved software list yet. We have been told it will be placed there, it will be added. There is a free version that we could actually use, but you can't really use it in its full capacity, like using it to assigning through Google Classroom and that kind of thing, until it's on the approved list. So we're not doing an assignment with it, but we do want you to become familiar, because we're hoping that any day it's going to show up on the list and you can use it this fall if you choose. So Sarah has made a video here in the Tech Try It part, and then we have some things that we want you to explore and actually do some things with. In the library, the directions are here, and the code that you would need to get in, everything is here. So that is it for this module. Oh, sorry, this is your Google Doc that goes with the mini lesson. So this is, it looks kind of long, but it is what you will be doing throughout 2 mini lessons, 2 different videos. And what you'll do is, as you're watching the video and it says for you to try something, you'll pause the video, you'll come to this Google Doc, you'll do that part, and then return to the video. And what you'll be doing is delineated, explained, described in the video, and there are directions here. So there are several pieces here, but not to worry. You start with 3 learning targets and you continue to come back to those and do different things with those 3 learning targets as you continue through the mini lesson. Okay, so Sarah and I believe in backwards design planning. What we know is that many times we start with looking at activities or instruction, but really we have to start in stage 1 of backwards design, which is unpacking standards. That's why this module has been created the way it is. We hope that you enjoy it, that you learn a lot, or at least are reminded of things that you already know, and that you get new ideas. So enjoy. Thank you.